will write a pro if a method concatenate string that takes variable arguments of string type and concatenates them into a single string. First of all, we will call and, and tell the idea, and this we have created for where arguments we will, yeah, this is the method for where arguments. Inside we have to create a method to concatenate these strings, so we will create like static string add. Now we take a string as an input and it will take variable arguments of this string, and here we also use for each. Replace this int with this string s. String e. Now we will print that we will take input, we will take input from the user that int equal to, and we get scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. First of all, take how many string we want to add, so enter the number of strings. Now we'll take input from the user equal to scanner dot nextInt, and in this we will take the string we will call this method for string. Here we create another string decided we will call this function which is add string, so we'll call add equal to in camp. Also we will take input for t equal to scanner dot Now we will run this method and check whether it is running or not. Correct. First of all, we write 4 and we write 4, 1, submit 4. Now our now our program is running successfully. Like we will write number of string that is 4. Now we write command. Then we write submit, write good to. When Sumit and good to they are all concatenate and provide the output. Thank you.